Community cleanup. Participants work together to clean up and beautify an area in the community. The goal of the cleanup activity is to serve the community and create a livable environment. Participants collaborate to get the job done quickly and effectively. The designated area for the cleanup can be a park, beach, neighborhood, etc. The cleanup activity makes a positive contribution to the environment and enhances the community's quality of life. Participants strengthen community bonds by working together in solidarity. The cleanup activity raises awareness about environmental conservation and sustainability. The video showcases participants engaging in cleanup activities such as litter picking, planting trees, organizing the area, etc. Participants and supporters are thanked for their contributions.